In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group a report by dates in Salesforce. Let's jump right in. Start by heading to the Reports tab. From here, either create a new report or open one you've already built. The key is to get into the report editor, where you can adjust how your data is presented. Once you're in the editor, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a pane that lists the fields available for your report, including the columns that are already in use. If you have a lot of fields, use the search box in that pane to quickly find the date field you want. Now, to group the report by dates, click and drag the date field you want to use and drop it into the Grouped section at the top of the outline area. This is often labeled Group Rows. As soon as you do this, the report switches into a grouped view, and you'll see your records organized under date headers. This not only makes the data easier to scan, but also sets you up for better summaries and trend analysis. Next, refine how those dates are grouped. Click the small Creator drop-down arrow next to the grouped date field you just added. In this menu, choose the grouping type. You can usually pick granularity such as by day, week, month, quarter, or year, and in some orgs, you can choose calendar or fiscal periods. This choice determines how Salesforce bundles your records, so think about the level of detail you need. If you're reviewing monthly performance, month is a great choice. For broader trends, quarter or year works well. While you're in that same menu, set the sort order. Ascending shows the oldest dates first, while descending brings the most recent dates to the top. Handy if you're focusing on current activity. If you group the wrong field by mistake, simply remove it from the grouped section and drag in the correct date field instead. Also note that both date and date/time fields can be grouped. When it's date/time, Salesforce still lets you group by date parts like month or year. And there you go. Your report is now grouped by date exactly the way you need, making it easier to read, compare, and draw insights. Once you're comfortable with this setup, you can explore summaries and charts that build on the same grouping to visualize trends. That's all. Simple, fast, and a big upgrade to your reporting clarity.